Hi, today we're going to show you a quick demo of the outcome of our 3D scanning project. The aim of this project was to test how efficiently and quickly can we scan scenes and then import them into a video game in order to be a playable environment. For this, we used two sample scenes that we both modeled in 3D and then used our own KinectFusion algorithm with a $30 Kinect sensor to scan that environment. Here you can see a quick demo of the gaming environment that we also created to test our environments and test the performance. Now, just for fun, we also created a few playable cars in our driving game. So we have a NASCAR, we have a BMW X5, and a futuristic truck. So let's take the NASCAR and load up our first sample scene, which we handcrafted. So this teleports us straight into the game with the scene loaded ahead of us. Now in our sample scene, we created a quick driving simulation where you can drive the car. You can also shift different gears and you can enter flying mode so that you can fly around the different levels. And here you can see the first sample scene that we created. And we can just go over here. We can then drop back down out of our flying mode and take a drive around this scene. So if we do this, now we're on our sample scene, shift back down to a lower gear, and then drive around the scene. So this is our sample scene that we built in real life, then also modeled, and then we also scanned this scene. So now let's go back to the main menu and enter the scan scene. So click on here, and now we have the scan scene in our game. Now if we lift up, we can see it's the same scene as before, but now only 3D scanned using our KinectFusion algorithm. Again, we can fly above the scene, we can drop our car into the scene, and then, oops, we can drive around as well and interact with 3D scene that we scanned. And as part of our project, not only did we scan the 3D scenes and imported them manually into the game, but we've actually created an streaming assets folder that allows for the direct scanning of 3D scenes, then dropping the object file of that 3D scanned scene into the streaming assets folder, and our game simulation that we've created here is capable of importing the scenes and realigning them with our base plates that you see here and scaling the scenes so that they can be driven inside this environment. So it already takes a few steps out of the regular process. And that's it. That's just a quick overview of our 3D scanning project where we again took a look at how can we use KinectFusion to quickly and easily create 3D gaming environments and then import them into a game that can then be interacted with and played with.